Tonight, I'm going to show just a few things you can do with one of these. There's innumerable things to do, but these are the ones that we kind of use them all the time for, especially citrus fruit. Like the idea is you get the green or the orange or the yellow, you get it off, and it has beautiful citrus flavor without the white, bitter pith. And then you can get all the zest off it, and then use the split it, juice it, whatever. So I just start here, and then you kind of go like that from one hemisphere to the other. This stuff right here is just beautiful lime flavor without sourness or without bitterness. So you can add this to a cocktail, to like savory Asian dishes, or to desserts, like lemon, lime, tangerine. So this is Parmigiano Reggiano, and it slices it so thin it like aerates it. So you get this big fluffy cloud. It's just nice for presentation. If you're gonna put it on a table, it makes a little look like a lot. I think you get the idea. That type, and it's like, look how it's really light, airy. It just looks cool. So anything you can think of like that, different types of cheeses, foie gras, horseradish fresh. It totally works. Sweet, savory, really versatile. Drinks, it's awesome. It's the essence of whatever citrus fruit you. It's the essence of whatever citrus fruit. It's the essence of whatever citrus fruit you decided to microplane. For the holiday times, a little nutmeg on the eggnog. It tastes a lot better than the kind of already powdered stuff. And this works a lot better than that stupid little grater that you have on the box grater. Nice and fluffy. It smells great. So also, there is fresh garlic. You'll never have to chop, mince ever again. Be a little careful with your fingers. But yeah, it's all exactly the same size. It is quite small, so you gotta be careful not to burn it when you put it into a pan, but it's really good for, as in this case, marinades. So if you have one of these, play around with it. The citrus will be, that's the best stuff. That's like flavor gold, no bitterness, no sourness. Have fun with that. Hope it helps. Yeah.